Hello and welcome to the stream, everyone. I'm in a little box today because we're going to be using the browser, and I needed to create some space for that here on the stream. Well, welcome. The Baby Babble is brought to you by Kairu. And yeah, as usual, if you're watching this stream live on Twitch, please feel free to join the conversation. This is a safe space for everyone, even babies. If you are watching the replay on YouTube, I appreciate you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Those are really great free ways to support my channel and help me grow so that I can reach more people. Today we're going to be talking about wills and life insurance. These are things, well, I don't really know anything about wills. I know a little bit about life insurance, but yesterday's episode or yesterday's chat, stream, etc. was about dealing with grief, death, and loss. And oftentimes we don't want to talk about anything that involves loss because, I don't know, maybe there's this misconception that if you talk about death that it'll somehow happen sooner. I know that's not true, but you know, it can be kind of difficult for people to discuss. And if we continue to not have these conversations with our children early on, then, you know, these conversations are going to continue to be difficult to discuss. Maybe it's an American thing, maybe it's I don't know what it is. Maybe it is American. We're going to dive right in. We're going to start doing some research. And I'm going to be taking notes on a Google Doc so that we can keep everything together. And if you'd like me to share it with you, let me know. Maybe I'll just post it in the chat just because. Alright, so here we have what is a will and testament. And we're going to do a Google search because Google knows all. So last will and testament, definition, types, and how to write. This is Investopedia. That is a website that I trust. Here on the side we have a will or testament is a legal document that expresses a person's wishes as to how their property is to be distributed after their death and as to which person is to manage the property until its final distribution. That actually makes a lot of sense, and it's pretty straightforward. What is the difference between a will and a testament? A will only deals with real property. It may be called a devise, and when a will only deals with personal property, it may be called a testament. If a decedent does not leave a will and testament, their assets will be administered by a probate court. And who wants to go through all that? That sounds like a lot of work. Anything that has to do with court sounds like a lot of work. Point blank period. What are the three basic kinds of will? Generally speaking, there are three kinds. Holographic, written entirely in the handwriting of the person writing the will. Standard formal typewritten, printed or typed, partially handwritten and partially typed. The requirements for a valid will are different for each type of will. Alright, and then we go on and on and on and on. So let's go to Investopedia, because that is a website that I trust. And it came up first. Alright, a last will and testament is a legal document that communicates a person's final wishes pertaining to their assets. It provides specific instructions about what to do with their possessions and will indicate whether the deceased leaves them to another person, group, or wishes to donate them to charity. You leaving? Again, staying right?
I don't think so. I hope not.
Let's see. What happened?
It's because Wednesday through the rest of the week, it's just me. I only have a person, my other guy, Monday or Tuesday.
I see.
I love you. Yeah, you.
He's like, where's my kiss? There he goes. There he goes, Kairu. Alright, so let's start bulleting stuff. Legal document. that's pretty clear. I can make it a little bit bigger if it's not super clear. So, will and testament is a legal document that communicates a person's final wishes pertaining to their assets, aka personal belongings and property. Bam. Okay. Can handle matters involving dependents, management of accounts, and financial interests. Are you hungry? Oh my. Oh. Just screaming this morning. Do you want this? Can pertain to a person's descendants. Oops. Financial accounts and what was the other thing? This is possessive. Management of accounts and financial interests. Alright, that tells me you're hungry. So let's take care of that, yeah? Are you farting or are you pooping? Because I just changed your diaper, dude. Literally just changed it. Okay, so now that we have an idea, a pretty clear idea of what this is, how do you write one? Let's put another space. And then let's check it out. No, dog, I don't want to subscribe nothing. I just want some information. Some states allow for standard or unusual wills, such as holographic will, while others do not. Okay, so then I'll look up. That's good to know. So this is dependent on the state. Acceptable. Legal. Copy. Determined. Well. For state. Determines what is acceptable. Slash legal. Okay, so that's good to know how it works. They drafted affordably using an online will maker. Why wouldn't you just use a Google document? I don't understand. Like, if I put that it's my will and it's somehow, I mean, it's coming from my account, so that should be enough. No one else can edit it, you know what I mean? That should be good enough. A will and testament directs the disposition of your assets such as bank balances, property, or prized possessions. It will detail who is to receive the property and in what amount. It can establish guardian arrangements for surviving dependents. Got that. If you have business or investments, you can also specify who will receive those assets and when. A will also allows you to direct assets to a charity of your choice. Similarly, if you wish to leave assets to an institution or an organization, a will can ensure that your wishes are carried out. A person writes a will while living. Its instructions are only carried out once the individual dies. A will names an executor of the will. That person is responsible for administering the estate. A probate court usually supervises the executor to ensure that the wishes specified in the will are carried out. Okay, so must name an executor who will be in charge
my cereal.
Okay, can you put it in the sink, please?
It's already in the sink.
Okay, thank you.
No, it's
Good
time.
morning, Miss Fergie. Indicate.
Can I say hi to them?
Yeah, buddy.
Can I text?
Yeah, just have a seat. Oh,
Ow.
sorry. Sorry, you okay? Alright, you gotta scoot back a little bit. There. Scoot back in your chair. I'm doing well, Fergie. How are you feeling this morning? I'm cold, but I'm good. Alright. It can form the foundation of an estate plan. It's more than an estate plan. Any assets that have this designated
Oh, it says
beneficiaries
hi,
benefits
DJ.
policy are not included as probate assets. Yeah, I see. She said hi, DJ. While many people obtain assistance with their wills from a lawyer, this is not necessary to make wills legal and bonding.
I am feeling better.
That's good. That's very good to hear. Okay. Shouldn't be included in a will. Property you hold jointly with someone else. Got it. How would that work? So where does that go? Funeral plans, life insurance policies, and retirement accounts. Yeah, because these already have beneficiaries. So, there's really nothing that you have to do. The life insurance company just has to know that the person passed away. Property held in joint tenancy, property assigned to a living trust, life insurance policies, pensions, individual retirement accounts, financial assets. Okay, avoiding probate. Any property that your will directs should go to certain beneficiaries wherever tied up in probate records for months. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Anything that involves courts probably takes forever. So hi to Fergie. Shouldn't contain, because that's normally oh, okay, that makes sense. Making conditional gifts. Gifts that you bestow through a will can't come with strings attached in certain cases. What'd she say? She said, you will see me one day soon. DJ. Oh, DJ.
He's leaving?
No, she didn't go anywhere. What is it, little baby? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
He's like, LOL.
Arranging care for someone with special
Excuse
needs,
me.
best to set up.
Excuse me.
Okay,
Can
that
I try
makes
to
sense.
build your house like you say?
After school. Can you go in my room and get a baby wipe and wipe your mouth? You got chocolate all over your lips. That's it? That's all you wanted? Alright, sir. Alright. Requirements. Be sound of mind. Okay? Identify assets and beneficiaries. A will requires you identify the assets and property that are to be bequeathed, as well as the identities of the intended recipients, known as named beneficiaries. Alright? Designate an executor. Got it.
Is it?
Witnesses to your signature. Oh, okay. To unrelated individuals. Okay, so probably like notarized. Great word. I know, right? Bequeathed. I've never actually seen that word used before.
Mommy,
Yes,
Dream Labs.
I know, I see. Okay, so simple will, joint will, bless you, testamentary trust will, and a living will. Okay, simple will. You use a simple will to list your assets and the beneficiaries to receive them. You should also designate the executor and a guardian for any minor children. Any minor children? Simple will is one that can be easily done using one of various templates. Be sure to get any legal advice you feel you need. Joint will. Okay. Involves two people, generally spouses. When one dies, the will is executed in favor of the other spouse as defined in the will. The provisions can't be changed by the surviving spouse, which can be a problem if that spouse's circumstances change. Joint wills aren't as common as they once were because of this inflexibility. That makes sense. Testamentary trust will. This will contains one or more testamentary trusts that take effect after your death in the probate process. Unlike, for example, a living trust, which takes effect during your lifetime. It is used in instances where special needs beneficiaries or minor children. DJ, quiet down, please, buddy. Oh. Streamlabs is a robot, remember? Those messages go automatically. Living will. This type of will only concerns your medical care and decision making. Should you become incapacitated. It's a legal document that provides instructions for your care and, among other things, determination of medical support. It does not deal with distribution of your property to beneficiaries or such final wishes. You don't need a lawyer to create a legally recognized and accepted living will. In fact, medical facilities in your state government can provide living will forms to you. Each state has specifically... DJ, it's very loud, buddy.
I'm yawning.
I know, but you're very loud. Be sure that you understand them before creating one. Wills versus trusts. Trusts are legal entities created by individuals known as grantors that are assigned assets and instruct in the disposition of those assets. So a trust is needed for... Bless you.
There's an alien.
Yep, there's an alien. Excuse me. Okay, so... Yeah. Trust can be created for a variety of functions. There are many types of trusts, a living and a testamentary trust. A will can be used to create a testament. A will can be used to create a testamentary trust. You can also create a revocable living trust for the primary purpose of avoiding probate court. That makes sense. A will becomes active only once death. A trust, on the other hand, becomes active the day you create it. Trusts tend to be more expensive to create and maintain.
There's a
wills.
raid.
Importantly, unlike wills, trusts do not go through the probate process and are usually, not usually a matter of public record. However, can only deal with property or assets that are assigned to it. Got it. Okay.
Look.
Names of guardianship of minor children can be challenged in court. Probate court. Goes around inheritance.
Larry can make that sound.
Active upon signing. Yes, if revocable. Private and public. Okay, got it. How to create a will. Consider whether you'll work with an estate lawyer Consider whether you'll work with an estate lawyer in a traditional manner to create your will, or create it using an online service. Establish contact to get the process moving.
Baby.
Decide on the assets that you want to include in your will. Yes. Huh? How do you what?
I hate to interrupt.
You hate to interrupt? What's up, buddy? Decide on the assets you want to include. Name of beneficiaries. Designate an executor. Be sure to get their consent first. If you have minor children, appoint them to a guardian. Again, attain their review beforehand. Sign your wills. Store it safely. Periodically review it. This is actually very straightforward. Little baby. Hey. Yeah, you're stepping all over me. Whoa.
Sub hype?
Huh? Yeah, it says hype. Little baby. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and copy and paste this. Wow. And we will state our source. Yeah, let's just take this out. I think I'll do this. Oh my goodness.
What?
Stop pretend burping, please. Check your sits awesome. Periodically check it. Alright. DJ, please. I know you're doing that on purpose. You're exaggerating your yawn. You don't have to yawn that loudly. Let's go ahead and put this website. Because these are not my words.
Mommy,
Yes, DJ.
do you like the dogs in place?
No, not right now. Alright. What else do we need to know? Creating a will can often be a simple and inexpensive process where you fill out a form online without the help of an attorney. Online will makers allow you to draft, print, and sign your last will and test for being online or download a document creator. Most cost-effective, most online will makers walk you through a series. Oh, okay, that makes sense. That makes it a lot easier. Okay, consequences of not having will. I already know that. Yep, exactly. Anybody can say claim. For example, community property laws of the state. Community property laws recognize both spouses as joint property owners. I see. Where can I find? Okay. What is a codicil? Let's check this out. What you doing, buddy? 6 best online. You're all done?
You got what's more people.
Oh, there might not be any more people.
They're just Miss Fergie.
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Best overall, best value, best for ease, best comprehensive.
Why is there
best
no
for
more
free.
people, Mommy?
Nice. I always
Why?
like free. I don't know. They're not awake, probably.
Huh?
Make your own well. California. Create your document. This is very straightforward. There's a lot of questions. Let me include this. DoYourOwnWill.com. Copy.
Oh, we just lost some passengers. It is.
Alright, I'll probably be doing that later. Okay, so now let's... FAQs. Alright, so I have that listed, so that's okay. I'm going to go ahead and close these. And then we're going to go back to DuckDuckGo.
He's going in the chocolate rabbit.
Oh, I probably should just have stayed on it.
Who did tunnel? Uh-oh.
Because they probably would have. So.
Oh, that's...
DJ, quiet down, please. Let's go back here and then just look up... It's a great website, by the way, y'all. Let's look up life insurance. Look at that. Life insurance, what it is, how it works, and how to buy a policy. Something you never knew. Never knew you needed. Hi again, DJ. He left Fergie. He said he wanted to wait until more people show up. I was like, more people might not show up. Alright, so here we got life insurance. Yeah. He's, into the immediate feedback of somebody responding. I think he probably think when he says hello. I'm like, buddy, sometimes people gotta do stuff, you know? He's the cutest real bro. Thank you, love. I appreciate you. His birthday's coming up. Alright, let's go back to 15. Oh, little baby. Okay, so we covered a will and testament is a legal document that communicates a person's final wishes pertaining to their assets, aka their personal belongings and property. It can pertain to a person's descendants, financial interests, and the management of their accounts. Your state determines what is acceptable / legal. And then this is directly from the website. Yeah. Birthday, yeah, his birthday is December 23rd. So we're celebrating it on the 17th because we don't celebrate, girlfriend and I don't celebrate Christmas, so he'll probably be with his dad on his actual birthday day. I think his birthday falls on like a Thursday or a Friday. Oh, it's a Friday. So yeah. Alright, so let's move to life insurance. Life insurance, a contract between an insurer and a policy owner that guarantees the insurer pays a sum of money to the beneficiary's name when the insured dies. Literally the simplest thing. So, a contract between a company and a policy owner that says the company will pay the policy owner, will pay the beneficiaries a certain sum of money when the policy owner dies. Super, I was about to call you all the names except for your own. Kairu. What is happening? Huh? What are you doing? You're doing a lot, buddy. You're doing a lot. There's a lot of baby going on. Yeah, there's a lot of baby going on. Alright. Maybe it's time for the flow. Get completely behind me. You'll be okay. Alright, hold on, buddy. Little baby sniffles. Right. There you go. Now you can kick around. And you can play. And all that stuff. And I'll just be right here. Yeah. Yes, I'll be right here. Alright. Contract between an insurer and a policy owner that guarantees yada yada yada. There you go. Yep, in exchange for the premiums paid by the policy holder. I need more moisturize my hair. Okay, so let's just take this. And we'll include policy owner. Nobody, just Fergie still.
Nobody?
It's just Fergie.
He says hi again, DJ.
Uh-huh.
Why is it put hi again?
Because you said hi and then she came back and said hi again.
I was playing Streamlabs.
Oh, Streamlabs is a robot though, remember? Streamlabs isn't a real person.
I know. What he has done else? Excuse me, you have to wait.
Name beneficiaries.
Mommy.
Yes.
Can I let the dogs in the place?
No, not right now. You want a few chips?
Huh?
You want a coffee chips?
Right now? No, I want the regular chips.
Oh,
Not,
they're downstairs.
I can eat it. I'll eat it downstairs.
Okay, I'll get it for you after the video. I'm almost done. Alright.
Mommy. Mommy,
Yes, DJ.
can you let the dogs in place?
No.
You have to wait?
No. Barry needs a bath, and he also needs to be brushed again. Alright, life insurance application must accurately disclose the insured's past and current health conditions.
Are you gonna let them take a bath right now?
No, DJ. No. No. Okay?
Why?
Because I'm busy. And you have school after I finish my video. And taking the dogs a bath is a lot of work. Contract based on yep, a single premium up front or regular premiums over time. The insured guys. Excuse me.
I can say hi to Miss Berkey again.
Huh?
Miss Berkey's really did say hi.
Yeah, Fergie's there. Turn left, thanks. Uh-huh.
But Mommy,
Hmm?
do you pump like my scooter?
I know, buddy. That's okay.
It's not okay.
State guarantee funds. What word is that? Who that?
Who's that? Let me see. Let me see.
Hitman 9936. Hello, welcome in. What
Can I
word
say
is
hi
this?
to them?
They can hear you, buddy. Yeah, but how do you say it? I don't know what word this is. Will, life insurance, and a hitman in the chat. It's the perfect trio. Hitman's here to take you out.
The kid super.
Hmm?
Hey,
Oh, the kid, what's up, bro? That was funny. An undertaking to answer for the payment of a debt or the performance of a duty of another in case of the other's default or miscarriage. I see. So the state might pay some of the funds if the company
oh,
that
DJ,
insures
my
the policy.
class texted
What are you talking about, buddy?
Miss
I believe
Mary
DJ is
Miss
the kid.
Hannon.
DJ is the kid. Your class didn't text you, buddy.
No, it says DJ's class
Where?
in your phone. It's,
No, it says DJ's teacher, not DJ's class.
Is it teacher?
Yes. Term life insurance lasts a certain number of years and ends. You choose the term when you take out the policy. Best term life insurance policy. Balance affordability with long-term financial strength. The good thing about term life insurance is that you can renew it. It's possible. So let's say like right now I'm 30 years old and I purchase a 30-year term. If I live past 61 almost, because I'm almost 31, I can renew this, or once it gets close to it, then I can renew it. So that's the great thing about term life insurance. Permanent life insurance allows it to accumulate cash value. Use the cash value for many purposes, such as a source of loans or to pay, such as source of loans or cash, or to pay policy premiums. Universal life is a type of permanent life insurance with a cash value that earns interest blah, 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 universally indexed. Oh, sweet. And there's a bunch of companies that you can compare. You definitely always want to ask the benefits, because I know that
Tell me if you're done.
okay. I know that term versus term permanent. They differ in several ways, but tends to meet the best needs of most people. Term life insurance tends to meet the best needs, or to best meet the needs of most people. Term life insurance. Are you in college or something, preparing for finals? No, not at all. I am in college, but no, I'm literally just looking up this information because I don't feel like it's common knowledge, and it should be. So yesterday I was talking about grief, death, and loss, and it reminded me that I know nothing about wills and testaments. So I've got a little Google Doc here going on with just basic information about wills and testaments. I got a website of where I got my information, as well as a free will creator, which is really cool, because we should always choose something that's free, because free is the best. And then we're looking at life. I know a little bit about life insurance, but as I was mentioning, like, prior to speaking to a life insurance agent, I, in my mind, thought life insurance was like a scam. Life insurance is easy. The real thing you should look up is taxes. But there's so many different kinds of taxes. And the reason why we're discussing life insurance specifically is because it deals with grief, death, and loss. I don't know anything about life insurance, though. See? Then you're in the right spot. I mean, essentially, at its core, life insurance is purchased by an individual while they're living, of course, from a company or even a bank or whatever. It's a policy that I purchase, and while I pay a premium every single month, it guarantees that whatever policy limit my policy says will get paid to the people that I assign, aka my beneficiaries, after I die. That's it in a nutshell. So I can assign my children as my beneficiaries. I can assign my spouse as my beneficiary. I want to say that it allows you 2 beneficiaries. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Term life insurance is literally life insurance for a certain term or a certain number of years. It's usually the most affordable, and a lot of term life insurance policies can be renewed. So like I mentioned, if I purchase a policy right now, which I plan to within the next month or 2, and it's a term life insurance policy for 30 years, once I get to about 58, 59, I can renew that term for another, 30 years, and then my entire life is covered, and I'm not, at a loss or anything. I don't think I'll invest in life insurance right now. I am single and I don't want to protect anyone yet, but health insurance, that I would get after I get a job. Life insurance isn't for other people, though, necessarily. It's for you, because if you die, when you die, somebody has to pay for your burial and stuff. It doesn't necessarily have to be your partner or family, or not family, children. You could assign your parents as your beneficiary for now until there's someone else who you feel, can be assigned to those funds. It doesn't have to be super, super grand, but the amounts are usually pretty large because you just never know. Before you apply, you should analyze your financial situation and determine how much money would be required to maintain your beneficiary standard of living. So this is more so like your children. Like, how much money per year are your children going to need? Like my children are 9, 6, and newborn. So, how much money would be needed per year to support them while they're growing up, until they can kind of be somewhat financially stable on their own. Well, I am dead. I surely don't give an F about what happens to my body. It doesn't matter if you don't care what happens to it. Someone still has to pay to do something with it. Like, you can't just stay there on the sidewalk dead. Somebody has to pay And like I said, it doesn't have to be a grand amount of money. Like, we're cremating my brother, and it costs, like, if we were going to do everything as far as the viewing and all this and all that, it probably would have cost like $3,000. It's not a lot of money. And my relatives are rich, so they'll eventually do something about it. So nah, definitely buy life insurance after I get married. But why? What will be different after you get married? Right. If you're the primary caretaker and have children, one life insurance cover your custodial properties, responsibilities, until your children are grown up and able to support themselves. Even if someone else is able to, you know, provide guardianship. Welcome. Wow. Ziri Niali, thank you for being here. Thank you for the follow. Feel free to contribute to the conversation. Zirian, thank you. I appreciate you for spelling it out phonetically for me. How are you feeling today? Have you eaten any breakfast? Or, depending on what time of the day it is for you, wherever you are in the world. Have you eaten any food? I am hungry. That's why I'm snacking on chips. How much life insurance to buy? Research the cost of hiring a nanny. Right. I mean, just, you know, for me, it is 4:35 p.m. Got you. So have you had... It's like kind of dinner time, but not quite. I just ate like 10 minutes ago. Nice. I'm hungry. I'm probably only going to be streaming for like a couple more minutes and then hopping out to get some food. So how much life insurance to buy? The cost of the premiums, which are what you pay every month. So determine how much you need. Think about expenses, etc., etc. So yeah, funeral expenses are like the... I don't know. I guess it just depends. Like, some people want some big old grand funeral. What's up, I am Winterborn? Life insurance about making sure you don't leave loved ones another burden on top of your death, particularly if someone is dependent on your income. Exactly. Couldn't have said it better myself. Winterborn, that's a perfect way to describe it. So here's what affects your costs. Age, gender, health, tobacco consumption. They always ask you about that. Driving record. I haven't gotten a speeding ticket in years. And your lifestyle. Right, like if you are a one of those truck drivers that transports those super dangerous materials, your life insurance policy might be a little different. Oh, nice. Yeah, a person who smokes. Right. What's up, buddy? Oh, it's Legos. Nice.
We build it like that.
Life insurance buying guide.
Look, it makes that pattern.
Mm-hmm. It is a pattern. Alright, I gotta stop eating chips. I said I gotta stop eating chips.
For me?
It's one of those considerations when job hunting. Oh, yeah, that's
Mommy,
true.
are you gonna give me some chips?
Am I gonna give you some chips? No, not until after school. Yeah, if you submit a medical exam, typically your rates are lower if you're in good health. So this is one of the reasons why the sooner you can get life insurance, the better, because you never know when your health situation might change. And if you get life insurance afterwards, then your policy premiums could be, you know, a whole lot more. Benefits, of course, like Winter mentioned, not leaving a financial burden. My company is a nonprofit, and on the surface, I could be making more per hour than I do now if I work for a for-profit company, etc. I feel you. I totally hear you. Oh, my goodness. I am studying business, marketing, and finance in college right now. That's awesome. Zarian, what do you want to do with that? I have one of my degrees is in business administration, and I am deeply disappointed with the degree as a whole. But this is cool. Who needs life insurance? Basically everyone. There are so many people here. I want to do brand licensing. Ooh, what's that? I want to hear more about that. But the benefits matter. I pay like $25 a pay period for my health coverage and $25 for my term life. But my term life is like $350,000 plus my company insures us for a year of our income on top of that. That is incredible.
That's a fire extinguisher?
It looks like a little lotion bottle. But yeah, I think that's a fire extinguisher from the set that you got it from. No, it's too small, DJ. It's too small to show the baby. You can only see the big stuff right now. Winterborn, that's amazing. So we have, who needs life insurance? Literally every human on the planet. Parents with minor children, parents with special needs adult children, adults who own property together, seniors who want to leave money to adult children who provide their care, young adults whose parents incurred private student loan debt or co-signed a loan for them, children or young adults who want to lock in low rates, stay-at-home spouses, wealthy families who expect to owe estate taxes, families who can't afford burial and funeral expenses, a small life insurance policy, exactly. If that's all you want it for, that's totally okay. Hello, what's up, Captain? Welcome in. Like doing contracts with brands and manufacturers and then putting them into retail.
Mommy.
And then every sale your brand
Can I say hi
makes.
to
Hold on, DJ. Yes, but just a moment. And then every sale your brand makes, a licensing agency gets a percentage of that. Are you learning specifically how to do that in your class right now? Or in your courses right now? Or is that something that you have to kind of get into in order to really learn how to do? Like, would it be better for you to I guess my question is, are you learning theory, or are you able to put these things into practice while you're in school, is my question. Businesses with key employees, that makes sense. Married pensioners, instead of choosing between a pension payout that offers spousal support, and those are the pre-existing conditions, right? Some insurers may deny coverage or charge very high rates. Exactly. Considerations: research the policy options and company reviews. If you're buying a policy on another family member's life, it's important to ask, what are you trying to insure? Children and seniors really don't have any meaningful income to replace, but burial expenses may need to be covered in the event of their death. Besides burial expenses, a parent may also want to protect their child's future insurability by purchasing a moderate-sized policy when they're young. Doing so allows that parent to ensure that their child can financially protect their future family. Parents are only allowed to purchase life insurance for their children up to 25% of the in-force policy on their own lives. That was a little confusing. So, it provides a death benefit and a premium. Death benefit, the amount of money. Okay, buddy. Oh.
There's Captain.
I'm doing terrible. My sister got into the hospital today. Oh no.
No.
What happened? What happened to her, Captain?
Excuse me.
My college put me on an internship in a licensing agency. That's perfect. I'm sure she will get better. Thank you, Zirian. What are you doing? You trying to write everybody's name?
Mhm.
I think you got everybody.
Mhm.
Just one more.
No.
Yep. No, Hitman.
No, Hitman.
Little baby.
Mommy,
Yes.
I say hi to Hitman.
Okay. Why so fussy? Why so fussy? Premiums are the money the policyholder pays for the insurance. The insurer must pay the death benefit. Premiums are determined by how likely it is insurance for the death benefit. Okay, cash value. Right, that's only a permanent life insurance. Life insurance rider. That's what my children would be.
Oh no, Captain's in the hospital.
No, Captain's sister is in the hospital.
Oh, Mommy, look. Captain said, "Ayo, DJ, how are you doing today?"
Yeah. I think she will, Captain. Do you know what happened or what, is going on?
I'm doing good,
Accidental
Captain.
death benefit rider, waiver, a premium rider. This is all really good information. Most permanent life insurance. Oh yeah, accumulates money that you can borrow. Funding retirement, exactly. Qualifying for life insurance. Right. There were 841 life insurance and annuity companies. Wow. In 2018, that's awesome. So multiple types and sizes of policies, exactly. Yes, yes. Who needs life
He
insurance? We
said
already talked about that.
something with the baby.
Hmm. Oh, okay. I got you. Oh, that is really scary to hear, especially when you're not given more information.
Look, Captain.
What are the benefits of life insurance? Payouts are tax-free. Death benefits are paid as a lump sum and are not subject to federal income tax because they are not considered incomes of beneficiaries. Dependents don't have to worry about living expensive.
His sister is in the hospital.
Yeah, let's take this
He got hurt today.
and add this to our
That's okay. We'll see his sister when
Google
he gets back.
document.
The hospital is gonna take his temperature. They can take temperatures, and I can take a temperature too.
Let me know if anyone would like me to share this with them, or just the websites that I've been getting the information from.
I can see red.
Because,
Captain.
I mean,
Mommy.
they're both from Investopedia. Yes, DJ.
See, Captain said hi. Mommy, I
I'm
need
about
to
hope
say.
you guys have one. All right, Captain. Speak to you soon. Take it easy.
Mommy,
Yes.
can I say hi to him and him?
Yeah, they can hear you, DJ.
Okay.
Yeah. You just have to wait for them to write back. Sometimes people don't write back right away, and that's okay.
I got you fire. It's
Benefits of life insurance. What is life insurance? Okay, cool. I think I'm gonna put this in my Discord.
What?
Because, yeah. Close the window, DJ. Close the window. Close the window.
The dogs are asleep.
No, they're not sleeping. They're just hanging out.
I'm just
No. Leave the window closed. It's too bright outside.
Huh?
It's too bright outside.
Right?
Bright. Yes. The sun is too bright right now. All right, friends. I believe that is all for today's stream. Ooh, this has been informative. Very informative. Oh, I hit the baby. If you are catching this replay on YouTube, I hope this was informative and beneficial to you. I will leave the links to the 2 pages that I utilized for this information. Thank you for the lurk, Fergie. I'm about to hop off though. I'll leave the link for the 2 websites that I used in the description to the video if you're interested in getting more information or just, reviewing the things that I discussed. Investopedia is a really great website. The verbiage that's used is very easy to understand, and you can, of course, always it's all good, my love. Thank you. You too. I might be on. I probably won't be on later. Well, I don't know. Maybe this afternoon I'll be back on playing or something like that. But yeah. Investopedia is a great website. Even if you're interested, anything related to finances or really anything like that, Investopedia is a really great resource. So hope y'all have a wonderful day. Again, if you're watching the YouTube replay, please like, comment, and subscribe. Your free support is deeply appreciated. If you're here in the live stream, thank you so much for coming by and contributing to the conversation. Everybody that came by and hopped in the chat, I appreciate you. Thanks for your patience with my children. But y'all have a wonderful day, and I'll be back tomorrow.